In this video we will learn how to create profile ribs, but before that I would like to change the object first. I will change the sketch and increase its length to 1000 units and press OK. Press OK, Control D, and I will create another slot. I will extrude on front plane in the sketch view, corner rectangle right at some point like this, and press OK, Control D, and if I select the mid section to extrude on both sides of the plane, and match someone here, and press OK, Control D. Now I will be able to create a profile rib. If I select this profile rib button over here, and in the reference tab I have to define a sketch on the plane, for example front plane, sketch in sketch view, using this line chain command from this edge to one of the points like this, center mouse button, Control D, and press OK. So my profile rib is not visible, it is in the outward direction. If I press this arrow over here, it will change its direction to the other side like this. So material is now added, and the thickness can be changed to the required value, 25 in my case, and there are three options. The value of thickness can be given from three different sides. For example, if I right now the 25 thickness is made from the center line as a reference. If I press this button, it will move towards the left side. If I again press this button, it will move to the right side of the plane, and if I press it again, it will come back to the middle section, and then press OK. So my profile rib is created, and the strength of this vertical part is increased. Likewise, if I have two cylindrical surfaces on this surface using circles like this, press OK and give it some height, 200, press OK, and again I will extrude on this surface using circle, center circle at this point, this time much smaller diameter circle, press OK, and the height will be 150. So these two cylindrical objects can now be joined, or their strength can be increased by creating a profile rib on the plane like this, front plane. If I invoke this button over here, sketch view, I will create a line using line chain command from this point to this point, and press middle mouse button and press OK. So it is in outward direction. If I press it, it will be in inward direction, but the rib is not created, because while we are creating ribs on cylindrical surfaces, we have to change the profile like this. In reference tab, we will edit the profile of the rib, and using line chain command, from the higher part we will create a vertical line till the bottom. And if I press OK right now and press this arrow, now my rib is created and its thickness can be given some desired value, and press OK. This is how we create profile ribs.